Operating instruction of automatic edge grinding machine. Click English to enter into the English mode. Click Energy System. Click the grinding screen to enter into the system. Select the horizontal grinding and then adjust the automatic into the menu. Notes: must be adjusted the main motor of 7.5 kW in the first, then can click return to 0. The up and down and forward and withdraw numbers are 0.000 on the screen. Put the stone on the workbench. Use a ruler to determine its position, then fix the stone. Operate the joystick to move number 1 diamond wheel to the corresponding position of the stone. Select the grinding length and click number 1 knife right in the grind. Then click the feed origin. Select the number behind number 1 knife as 0.000. Finally, click the spindle, turn on the main motor. Operate the joystick to conduct the stone on molding processing. After that, stop the spindle. Check the number behind number 1 knife 1.000 represents 1 mm. For example, 11.207. Then click the coordinate. The numbers will select by 6 times. First of all, put numbers into 6 columns. For example, conduct the slating by 1. 3.000, 2. 5.000, 3. 7.000, 4. 9.000, 5. 10.000, 6. 11.207. The numbers are accumulated: 3 mm at the first time, 2 mm at the second time, 2 mm at the third time, 2 mm at the fourth time, 1 mm at the fifth time, 1.207 mm at the fourth time, total 11.207. More feeding in the front, less feeding a month later. That is, bigger contact surface between the stone and the diamond wheel. The specific parameter will be according to customer's demands. Then, check the position of the rough polishing wheel of number 2 knife. First of all, use the coarse switch to adjust the positions of the rough polishing wheel and stone accurately. Click Return. Click the spindle to start the main motor. Start with polishing. After the rough polishing of stone, stop the spindle. Click number 2 knife into grind. Number 2 represents the rough polishing wheel. Click the feed origin again until the number behind number 2 knife turning into 0.000, which represents the determination of the initial position of number 2 knife. Number 3 knife is the finishing wheel. The tool setting of the finishing wheel of number 3 knife is consistently with that of the rough polishing wheel of number 2 knife. After polishing, click number 3 knife and the feed origin. If the number behind number 3 rough polishing wheel turns into 0.000, it represents the elimination of the initial position of number 3 knife. Note, the number 1 knife is the diamond wheel. Hit the stone, click on the number 1 knife for the grain and point the feed origin. Number 2 knife and number 3 knife should be grain after polishing and click the feed origin. Click the processing parameters. Number 1 represents the diamond wheel. 6 times in the previous operation. Here, 6 means 3 cycles. Number 2 represents the rough polishing wheel, then set 2. 2, it means 1 cycle, 2. The details according to customer's demands. The polishing wheel can be added according to customer demands. Number 3 represents the finishing wheel, set up 2 times according to customer demands. Add 0.060 for finishing wheels. The number of knives, 3. Automatic change into manual change. Feed reset position from 80 retreats, 20 or 30. Click manual into automatic on the screen. Then change the stone. Use the same ruler. do the way just like the first one. After securing the stone, click Run. The equipment will start automatic processing according to the given procedures. Workers only change the stone. Notes: after the machine was turned off, if you need to turn on the machine again, please return to 0 to ensure that the 0 position of the machine will not move. In the processing, polishing wheel in the manual of the first block must use slow speed operation. If with any faults during use, please open the electric box and check numbers displayed on the indicator light above PLC according to guidance of technicians. Technicians will determine fault points in first time and advise for parts exchange timely.